We are the distributor for the major brands of hot tub heaters, including Balboa, Hydroair, Gecko, Davey as well as LX heaters. Spares are also available for all the major branded heaters. We have a huge stock holding on a wide range of replacement heaters for hot tubs and spas. The main types of heaters fitted to hot tubs are flow-through or low-flow. Flow-through heaters require large water flow to function correctly and have straight assembly tubes with either 1.5 or 2-inch plumbing union connections. Low-flow heaters work in a different way, as they most commonly will have 1-inch diameter heater tubes, and water will be circulated through them by a small standalone quiet 24-hour circulation pump. Balboa and Gecko flow-through heaters are most common in Europe. We are pool and spa center and have led the hot tub and pool market since 2003.